Hi, welcome to this video. In this video, we will see how to manage the appointments. In a day-to-day practice, patients may cancel at the last minute. Patients may request to reschedule the appointment. Some patients may not show up. Appointments may be created by mistake or even duplicated. If these are not handled properly, appointments can get cluttered. That's why Eka Care provides cancel, no-show, delete and reschedule option. So let's see how we can manage the appointment now. Let's go to queue. First, we will view it under booked section. We have multiple appointments here. So let's say the first appointment, the patient calls up and wants to reschedule the appointment for some other date and time. We can just click on reschedule option. From the date, we can select the date as per the request from the patient. We can select the timing and we can click on book slot. The appointment will be rescheduled and it will move to others category as reschedule. Similarly, let's say this appointment which is booked for 10:30 p.m. the patient calls and wants to reschedule the appointment due to some reason. We can just click on the patient name. Towards the left hand side at the bottom we have 3 dots option. Let's click on it. Here we have mark no show, mark cancelled and delete appointment option. Mark no show can be used when patient misses the appointment. Mark cancel option can be used in order to cancel the appointment on patient's request. Delete option can be used if we want to delete the appointment on hold. So let's say this patient wants to cancel, as I already mentioned. We can just click on mark cancel. We can click on mark cancel. The appointment will be cancelled and it will move to others category. Now let's say patient misses the appointment. The patient who is booked for 11:30 p.m. and we want to mark it as no show. We can just click on the patient name. We can click on those 3 dots and we can select mark no show. We can click on mark no show again. The appointment will be marked as no show and it will move to others category. And let's say we have created this appointment for 11:45 p.m. by mistake, or if it's a duplication. In that case, we can just click on the patient name. We can click on those 3 dots and we can click on delete appointment. We can click on delete. With this, the appointment will be deleted. This is how we'll be able to manage the appointments as per the type and its category. So let's add a patient here. Let's create a walk-in appointment. So even under my OPD, we can follow the same flow. We just have to click on the patient name. We can click on those 3 dots. The same set of options are available here. Of course, the reschedule option is not available under my OPD because the appointment will move to my OPD only when the patient arrives in the clinic. And when we click on completed section, here again, only delete appointment option is available because the other 2 options are not valid under completed section. So let's say we want to delete this appointment. We can just click on delete appointment. We can click on delete. The appointment will be deleted. This is how we'll be able to manage the appointments on Eka Care by marking the appointments as per the nature and as per the requirement in the clinic. Thank you for watching.